This is a review of this universal fan remote. We primarily got this one because we wanted to replace a remote that we currently had for our fan and light for one of our rooms. What was happening is we felt like there was a short in the other remote, so what was occurring was running through the batteries. So it's very simple. On the back, you got to make sure that you match the code to whatever is on your fan. Since we were replacing the remote we had, we knew exactly what our code was, and I will show you here. It works perfectly to go with our fan. And I don't know if you can hear the clicking. You can see it's going on and on and on. And then lights out and on. It works great. Right now, I give this a 5 out of 5 stars. Easy to handle, easy to do. It also comes with a wall mount if you would like to put it on the wall as well, which is very handy. But if you're needing a way to replace your remote or your fan, just make sure that it matches the model that you have at your home, and this will work perfectly.